Hey everyone, so just wanted to show you my pie. See how nice it came out? I baked it for 45 minutes. Now I'm making some lady fingers, okra. So I chop them up. I chop and tail them and I cut them into ringlets. And I'm making them the normal Indian style. I'll put in salt and pepper, a little bit of dhania, and I've got some fresh herbs, so I'll add those in. So yeah, then that will be my meal for today. So in no time I get things done. That's the way it should be. So just put this. Turn this around a little bit. And I bought the fresh lady fingers, so sometimes I use the frozen ones. The frozen ones are already chopped up. I decided to do the fresh ones. I'm just going to put in a little bit of lemon juice. I cut up the parsley for my, just going to put a few sprigs in here. I cut up the parsley for the pie that I made. And then this is fresh thyme, so I'm just putting it in, I'm not cutting it up, I'm just putting in the sprigs whole. And then I'm going to add a little bit of coriander to this. I don't have the fresh coriander, but I'm going to put in a teaspoon of the powdered coriander. Keep my spices in the bottles. Just need to mix this up. And then you can take once it's cooked, you can just take the sprigs out. And I need to put in a little bit of salt and pepper. So the salt is very, very salty and it's iodized, so I don't put that much. I just put like a quarter teaspoon. And you can always add more salt later if you want. And a pinch of black pepper. And then I just mix this up. Now I'm going to cover it. I turn the heat down because I don't want the onions to burn. So it's on a very low heat. Turn it up a little bit. And then I'm just going to add in, I cut up one tomato. So I'm just going to put that in and then I'm just going to let it cook. These whites are very clever. When you want your wage increases and you want all that, they tell you you have an attitude of entitlement. But for them it's okay. They have all the people to open the doors for them. And then I have it on a medium heat now. And I'm just going to cover it. Just cover that and just let it cook. I'll say give it maybe about 15-20 minutes on a medium heat to cook. If you need, you can add in a little bit of water if your vegetables are getting stuck to the bottom of your pan. I didn't add in turmeric today. Normally I use turmeric, I use paprika, but today I'm using the fresh herbs, so I'm making it a little different. So that's done. You can see how much I do in one day. Even if the tennis is on, I don't just sit the whole day and do nothing. I'm not a lazy lump. I do a lot when I'm at home. Then also the plants, I make sure I water my plants once a week. I clean the place. I clean the bathroom, the bedroom, I sweep everything. So yeah, I'm busy. And then once a month I do a vacuum the carpet in the bedroom as well. And yeah, I keep busy. I'm a very good homemaker and I'm very much into my Christian religion. I don't need to go to other people's religion and worship the earth and worship all different things. And I surrounded myself by somebody who will never let me stray from my religion. So that's the way it is.